Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook short beef ribs. First, select high-quality short ribs, aiming for about 2 to 3 inches thick. Carefully trim any large pieces of surface fat, but do not remove all of it, as some fat contributes significantly to the flavor. Then, season your ribs liberally with a good quality kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, ensuring every surface is covered. Searing is a crucial step for developing deep, rich flavors in your short ribs. Heat a sturdy Dutch oven over medium-high heat with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil until it shimmers. Place the seasoned ribs in the hot pot, making sure not to overcrowd it. You might need to work in batches. Sear each side for about 3 to 4 minutes until a beautiful, dark crust forms, then remove them and set them aside. After searing, let us build a flavorful braising liquid for the ribs. In the same pot, add 1 diced onion, 2 carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. Sauté them until they are soft and fragrant. Next, pour in 1 cup of dry red wine, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pot, which adds immense depth of flavor. Finally, add 4 cups of rich beef broth, 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, and 2 bay leaves. Now, it is time for the magic of low and slow braising. Carefully place your seared ribs back into the Dutch oven, making sure they are nestled into the flavorful liquid. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer on the stovetop, then securely cover the pot with its lid. Transfer the covered pot to a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, letting it cook for approximately 3 hours until the meat is incredibly tender and easily pulls away from the bone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.